Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
Gold prices rose as the US dollar weakened further and stocks slipped amid uncertainty over US tariff policy and a potential ceasefire between Russia and Ukraine. US gold futures settled 0.9%. US stocks closed sharply lower as Treasury yields spiked on worries that US government debt would swell by trillions of dollars if Congress passes President Donald Trump's proposed tax cut bill. Bitcoin surged to a new all-time high after a temporary trade agreement between the United States and China eased macroeconomic fears and boosted investor confidence. Bitcoin set a new high of over $109,000 on May the 21st, rising more than 26% in the past month.
The euro-dollar pair saw moderate gains in the last session. The stochastic indicator is in overbought territory. The Bitcoin-dollar pair edged higher in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The sterling-dollar pair edged higher in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The Aussie-dollar pair edged higher in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal.
With a full schedule ahead, the economic calendar features critical reports and updates, ranging from major announcements to moderate impact data. These releases may guide financial markets, so staying informed is key. These updates are not just routine, they're potential catalysts for market change. Be ready to evaluate their impact and adjust your investment plans accordingly.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.